This is Adrienne, again with Chalises Heavily Inspired, and I wanted to tell you about the 11 Herbs and Oil Hair Oil Treatment, which, don't let the name fool you, is good for your skin as well. But I made this specifically, intentionally for hair growth. All the herbs in my garden, lavender, oregano, basil, peppermint, sage, all of those ingredients were growing in my garden, and they actually are good for hair growth. So I incorporated the rosemary, the lavender, all those herbs that I talked about, and any other ones, lemon balm, bee balm, in my garden. I incorporated it into this hair oil. This hair oil starts off with olive oil, very little, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, Jamaican black castor oil, all of those oils, sweet almond oil, that are very good for your skin and scalp. So this is what I use every day. So many people use this in different fragrances. I have African vanilla, I have natural herbal, frankincense, which is my favorite, and then the newest one is lemongrass, because so many people love the oil, they just wanted a different scent. People get compliments from this all the time, and it actually helps to thicken and grow your hair. So these are the herbs that I use. There's some lavender, the oregano, this is rosemary, all these herbs that are nutritious and good for your hair and your scalp and skin. So this is what I wanted you to know. 11 Herbs and Oil Hair Oil Treatment, Chalises Heavily Inspired.